In this video, I will show you how to fix. You will need internet for this. It doesn't look like you're connected for Microsoft Store. So to get started, first go to search and then type in view network connection. So you're gonna see it here, click on it. And then here you have to select your internet. So if you're connected to Ethernet, you have to select the Ethernet. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, wireless Wi-Fi, you have to select to Wi-Fi. So for me, I'm connected to Wi-Fi, so I'm going to select this and then right click and then click properties and then select here Internet Protocol version 4 TCP and then click properties and then click view the following DNS. Use the following DNS and then we have to enter the following 8 and then 8 8 8 and then for this one it's going to be 8 8 4 4. Then we're going to click OK and then close. Next we have to go to CMD and then run as administrator and then click yes. Then here you have to type in the following IP config /flush DNS and then hit enter. Next you have to type in IP config /renew. Then just wait for it to finish. Okay, now it's done. So sometimes it takes like 5 minutes, sometimes it can take longer. So once it's done, you're gonna see this. So now I'm going to type in net sh space win sock space reset and then hit enter. Then you can see here it's asking us to restart the computer. So once you restart your computer, let's go ahead and restart it. This should fix your issue and you should be able to use Microsoft and this should work for you. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please consider like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.